Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I came back from Best Buy and bought myself a GoPro chesty performance chest mount, the newest one that GoPro came up with. I didn't want to get the old one because it was a plastic one and I wanted to get the new one. And yeah, it's for biking, skiing. It includes a performance chest mount and a vertical mounting buckle and a thumb screw. And I'm going to add this in the video also. I got this like a couple weeks ago and I never made a video about it. I got it at Target for $8. It's a GoPro bobber. Pretty cool. Costing me $40 for this and $8 for this. And also I checked the Best Buy bin to see anything, if they had anything. The only thing I found was this. It's an Apple brick cable. I don't know what it's for. It has like USB headphone jack. I don't know what it's for. It's pretty cool. So yeah, let's start the unboxing of the GoPro chesty mount in 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. Just hit my box. How do you open this? Oh, here's the tape. Oh, it's so satisfying. Ooh, this is what we got. Out of the box we got the thumb screw. And what is this? This is a vertical mounting. That's pretty cool. One second, okay, this is cool. Whoa, it actually feels really nice. Wow. I thought it would be like cool. This vertical mount is, I think, for the one that comes with the GoPro. This is the one. Wait, is this the same or no? Wait. Oh, okay. I think it's more straight, I think. I think it's going to be easier if you put it in. It's going to be showing more. So yeah. And comes with an extra thumb screw if you need it. Good. I got it one up there. Let's test it out. And this is the buckle thing. You pull it off. I think you have to push this on and yeah, like that. That's pretty cool. Huh. Let's test it out. Oh, this pushes in. Okay. And this goes all the way back. Oh, that's what the vertical thing is for, because you can put this in and you can put the GoPro all the way back, I think. It's pretty cool. I like it. I like the material. It's soft. Better than the plastic one. Let's see how it looks on me. Okay. It smells good. Like a t-shirt. I don't know why. Let's see if it fits on me. I think it will. stretchy. Let's see. Oh, it fits. That's cool. It's easier if you're like rafting. Or biking. You can still use the touch screen. That's how the view of the chest mount is. I don't know what that white dot is. Oh, never mind. That's a dot. Okay. It's actually pretty nice and comfortable. And let's open up the GoPro now. Doesn't have tape. Ooh. Comes with a carabiner and a lanyard. Taking it off for a sec, the GoPro mount. That's pretty cool. The GoPro chest mount fits anyone because it's made of stretchy material. Comes with a lanyard and a carabiner, and this is how it looks. Comes with another thumb screw, an extra one, and it's actually nice and grippy and it floats. And yeah. Let's get my GoPro out of this and see how it looks. Oh, you have to take it out of this thing, and then I'll put this up here. I kind of like this screw because it has this kind of handy thumb screw thing. You attach it like, I think, this way, and then I'll be right back until I get this sorted out. It's pretty nice and grippy. And then how to turn, with this, it screws out at the bottom. And also if you have a tripod, you can connect the tripod to the bottom and you can use it. But to attach this lanyard, you just have to screw it in like this. I'll be definitely using this on my vacation when I go. We're gonna be swimming at the ocean. Pretty cool. It's a great vlogging handle. Like, hey YouTube, what's up? And it floats also, so you don't lose your GoPro. So yeah, that's that's the video. Yeah. The chest mount, I'm drinking like, what's this? LaCroix. Drinking LaCroix. So yeah. This should fit most people, but all of them, I think, because it's stretchy material, it should fit most people. I would recommend this one because it's comfortable and soft. I don't know if it's good for swimming. I have to test it. I think it is because it's fabric and it's... Hey, I'll test it out. It's great. And yeah. This material is like a mesh that, like, if you're biking or something and then you sweat, it can absorb it, and it's comfortable on your chest. The plastic one, I tried the plastic one. My friend's dad has the plastic one, and it's a bit hard and it's plastic. It digs into your chest. And when I put this on for the first time, it actually feels really nice. Yeah, I can't believe it. It's actually comfortable. So yeah. If you enjoyed the review of the GoPro handle and the GoPro chesty, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button to join the subscriber gang. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. I'll be posting every 3 days, or if I have a good video idea, every day. Yeah. And also, I didn't notice it also has a logo, GoPro logo. So yeah, would be nice. So yeah, that's it. This is the GoPro. At Best Buy, I found this same exact one for $15, and then I got it at Target for $8. Clearance. Yep. So yeah. So hit the like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell icon. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and peace out. It floats. It actually floats. Yeah. See? That's pretty cool. I'll be using it. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Peace out.